ServiceWire continues to seek ways to offer better products and services to confidently set our customers apart from their competition by offering cost and labor-saving solutions. One of these solutions is ServicePlex. ServicePlex combines the benefits of ServiceWire insulated single conductors with the functionality of a multi-conductor. Multiple single conductor cables are tightly twisted together to create a consistent, uniform construction, effectively functioning as a single cable. ServicePlex is available in XHHW2 for standard commercial and industrial applications, and USE2 and RHW2 for direct burial. The insulation can be striped, numbered, or solid color for easy phase identification. ServicePlex is a superior product that offers cost and labor savings that can help contractors stay ahead of the competition when bidding on projects. The benefits really come down to engineered advantages, ease of installation, and cost savings. Let's dive into each of these advantages. When a customer orders ServicePlex, they can rely on ServiceWire for absolute consistency. In fact, ServicePlex orders are tested before and after the conductors are twisted to guarantee a superior product. Our logistics experts and ISO certified processes document product condition and ensure proper reel handling so orders arrive on time and damage-free. We test every order leaving the warehouse with certified test reports available to confirm the condition and quality of orders and digital photos of every shipment as it leaves our facility. ServicePlex has a uniform diameter for the overall cable, ensuring a consistent construction throughout. Unlike paralleling, the OD on our prefab solution eliminates jamming, making it easier to pull wire into the raceway or conduit. Because ServicePlex has a uniform outside diameter, less surface area comes into direct contact with the inner wall of the conduit during the pull, reducing the required pulling tension. This allows for easy pulls and faster installation. With less friction between the cable and the conduit, ServicePlex provides a more stable pull, resulting in lower pulling tension. ServicePlex is an assembly of ServiceProX single conductors, so each conductor is available in a wide range of vibrant industry standard colors that are easier to strip. True color conductors make for easy phase identification and are safer and quicker than using phasing tape to identify conductors during installation. As a consistent, uniform construction, ServicePlex conductors come out evenly at the end of the pull, eliminating scrap wire and cable that can result from parallel pulls. Multiple runs of the same construction can be on a single reel with ServicePlex, reducing the number of reels contractors have to set up and store on the job site and later recycle at the end of the project. ServiceWire can ship direct even to the most remote job sites, eliminating costly inventory and handling. ServicePlex is manufactured with ServiceProX cross-linked XLPE insulated conductors. ServiceProX requires no pulling lubricant, needs less pulling force to execute a pull, and is easier to strip than older thermoset compounds. In this comparison chart, you can see that ServiceWire's thermoset XHHW2 has a substantially higher insulation resistance than the PVC used in THHN or THWN-2 conductors. This means the XHHW cable can handle more spikes and inrushes over longer periods of time while protecting critical circuits at risk of electrical interference from high leakage currents. XHHW-2 also has a high maximum temperature rating, protecting the cable in open air installations. And finally, the thermoset XLPE compound has almost 5 times the crush resistance of thermoplastic products, proving to be a more durable and reliable cable. ServicePlex is available in XHHW-2 dual-rated 600-volt/1 kV for standard commercial and industrial applications, and USE-2 or RHW-2 1 kV for direct burial installations. The insulation can be striped, numbered, or solid color coded for easy phase identification. All constructions are available in 14 gauge through 750 kc mil, 2 through 7 conductors with optional built-in grounds and pre-installed pulling heads. The engineered advantages of ServicePlex make it the optimal cost and labor-saving solution for a variety of installations, including general purpose wiring, raceways or cable tray, and conduit. ServicePlex can also be installed in direct burial applications, aerial installations, 105 degrees Celsius dry systems, and low leakage circuits requiring a dielectric constant of 3.5 or less. ServicePlex is commonly used for backup power in data centers, power feeders and utility poles to substations, roadways and bridges, and many other applications. Essentially, any application using multiple single conductors is ideal for ServicePlex. Make the switch to start saving time and money. Don't just take our word for it. Contractors who have used ServicePlex in the field come back to ServiceWire for all of their projects, with many reporting savings up to 70% over conventional pools. Here's what a job site foreman from Fisk Electric said after trying ServicePlex for the first time. The results were better than I imagined. We were able to pull 6 miles of wire through over 31,000 feet of pipe during the whole month of January, with only 1 day of overtime during the whole month. This virtually cut the pulling crew required in half. A project foreman from Summit Electric echoed these cost-saving benefits, saying, "I love the phase identification. With ServicePlex, there's no cross-phasing. We made our pull from one reel and needed only one man to feed it into the conduit. In tight spaces, you can only fit so many people." ServiceWire also offers a variety of value-added services to help you make the switch. Here are a few that are commonly paired with ServicePlex orders. 1. We utilize laser counters to ensure precise cuts and flags for exact lengths, further reducing scrap and short pulls on the job site. 2. Factory-installed pulling heads are available for any ServicePlex order for an even faster setup and smoother pull. The last commonly paired service is stacked runs. ServicePlex is available with multiple runs stacked on a single reel for fewer reels on the site and easier setup before the pull. ServiceWire's damage-free delivery rate is 5 times better than the industry average. Even by delivering more wire and cable than ever before, we maintain a 99.6% damage-free delivery rate. We're able to achieve these impressive stats through our quality packaging solutions and reel handling practices. Our larger orders are secured using heavy-duty pallets and reels to maximize protection. Plus, we can reduce the chance of damage and unnecessary reel handling by shipping direct to the job site. If you want to learn more about ServicePlex, check out our free online learning platform, ServiceWire Academy. Users will gain a better understanding of how ServicePlex is manufactured, the engineered advantages of ServiceWire's prefab cable, ease of installation and phase identification, and ServicePlex applications. If you're looking for a wire and cable partner for your next project, turn to ServiceWire. We are the experts in XLPE thermoset low voltage cable. We can supply power cable from coast to coast with our 3 nationwide facilities in Arizona, Texas, and West Virginia. Our high service levels and on-hand stock allow us to ship quicker than the competition and fast-track your projects. We can cut to length, offer length-specific reels, provide custom packaging to minimize shipping damage, and ship direct to the job site. Plus, every order leaving our facilities is quality tested at our in-house UL labs before shipment, ensuring you receive only the best product from ServiceWire. Contact your rep to learn more about our ServicePlex today.